we're off.
Hi there. Hope you enjoyed that this morning. I'm going to take you through all of the steps a little bit more slowly just so that you can see. Don't forget, it's about moving your shoulder and extending your arm and having your arms up, either curved or straight, whatever it is you're doing, so that you've got opposite arm to leg. This is all about opposite arm to leg now. So, the first part of this was a Sacrum, which is out on the left. Right arm up. 1, 2, 3, and you cross your feet. 5, 6, 7. So basic Sacrum, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. If you're having trouble working out what that is, do cucaracha first and bring your feet together. Out and bring your feet together. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now on the 3, cross in front. On the 7, cross in front. On the 3, cross in front. On the 7, cross in front. And it's opposite arm to leg, opposite arm to leg, opposite arm to leg, opposite arm to leg. That's a basic Sacrum, okay, of which we're doing 1 in the routine. Now the next part is the toe heel. The toe heel is the same as the Sacrum, but instead of rocking out and rocking back, this movement for your Sacrum, you're actually going to remain on your left leg, your right leg. Your left leg goes out, and you're going to go toe, heel, cross, toe, heel, cross. That's timing wise, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Again, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So the first part is 1 Sacrum, 1 toe heel. 1, 2, 3 for Sacrum, toe heel. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Try it again. Sacrum, Sacrum, toe heel. 1, 2, cross. 5, 6, cross. Okay? So that's Sacrum with the styling section there, with the toe heel style. Okay, the second part of this was the extended back step that we do. So as soon as you come out of that second toe heel cross, your weight needs to be on your forward foot. That's on your right leg, because that's 7. 1 is your left leg. You're going to step back to the side and extend out. The count for that is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So back and extend, back and extend. Arrastre, that's drag, because you're actually dragging this remaining drag. To drag, drag, to drag, and drag. Now the arms for that, again, is opposite arm to leg. So, guys, you're coming out from your shoulder. The other hand is on your hip, here, or you can have it down on the thigh, as we've done in others, okay? Ladies, comes from your wrist and out, a little bit more feminine, okay? So that's your extension, the whole thing together. Sacrum, toe heel, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, step back and out, 2, 3, 6, 7. Okay? Practice 100 times.